So first, fold it hot dog style on the line and make a crease. And open it up, fold it hamburger style. And then unfold, and then just see that the hot dog style, you just wanna get the corner and then fold it onto the line. Do the same thing to the other side. And after that, see that line, you just wanna like fold it right there and just rub your fingernail against it so it can make a good crease. Open it up and then just fold it down where you see that crease. That way this folded. And now see that line, you just want to fold this corner and take it down until you see a triangle and crease. Do the same thing to the other side. And unfold and see that line that we just rubbed our fingernails. We're gonna like make like a triangle, and then you push out something like that, and with a diamond in the middle. And see that diamond, you just wanna like squash it down on the paper. Make good creases. And just take the edge and then fold it down so it could, like open the triangle and then just like fold it down there. Same thing to the other side. We're almost done. We just need to do like mostly like 4 more steps, and just do that and turn it like that, and then fold it forward so you don't see that, and just fold it forward, and then just take the wing and fold it like the normal paper airplane, but like leave a little bit of space like that. And do the same thing to the other side. And then your paper airplane will look like that. If you want it to fly, well, you could like bend the corners and then just put it up. And then just leave it up, and then I'm gonna show you how good this thing can fly.